we're going to be focusing on how to melt that lace, make it undetectable, and of course avoid those white lines or white casts. Okay, so this is what she looks like on. Say we're going for a 10-inch bob with that perfect, like below the jawline, perfect cut. Okay, so let's go ahead and melt the lace down. Your girl is snatched. Let's see what's underneath the melt belt. Flawless. And just like that, white cast be gone. This here is the most flawless hairline on the planet, and technically she's still glueless.